Hello, I'm Amy Rose. We will learn about states of matter, Part 1. As we all know, the matter consists of number of atoms which are packed together. We therefore classify into three categories: solids, liquids, and gases. Let's start with solids. The atoms which are tightly packed without vibration, and they are not free to move. Its parameters of solids are rigid body, fixed volume, and fixed shape. In that case, if you press it with piston, will it compress solids? No, the reason is atoms do not vibrate, nothing ever happens with this state. Next, the liquid state, the atoms are loosely bounded and are free to move, as soon as when you increase temperature, like melting of ice turns to water. The distance between two molecules increases. Its parameters of liquids have no rigid body, fixed volume, but does not have fixed shape, whatever cylindrical or cubical and others. In another case, using piston again, will it compress liquids? No, but there is 5% compression of liquids. And finally, gaseous state, the atoms are free to move, at longer distance between two atoms. We see atoms in less density as you increase the temperature. This results in evaporation of water molecules. Its parameters are neither rigid body, nor fixed shape, nor fixed volume. Will it compress air by piston? Yes, the molecules come closer. As soon as you exert force, the air molecules will try to increase distance, results in opposite force. You might have seen air hand pumps, lets you fill the air in the bicycle tires or some other vehicles. If you have a tire puncture, you help the mechanic to fill the air, or replace spare tires. The air hand pumps can sometimes give heat due to friction of molecules. Next part, we will have 6 processes of physical reactions. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.